This is your IELTS speaking exam where examiner number is 54091 and the candidate number is 85432. What is your full name, please?
My full name is 𝐈𝐬𝐥𝐿 Safi, and you can call me Shahram.
Alright. Where are you from?
I'm from Kabul, Afghanistan, and nowadays I live in Pakistan.
Do you work or study?
I'm studying.
Alright. Okay, let's talk about some school days. Tell me something about your secondary school.
My secondary schools, of course, for all persons, secondary school is the best history of a life, because there we have a lot of friends. There are a lot of friends, and we know about anything, and we are growing on this secondary school. We are in this time we are in the growing, and we have a lot of friends, and we know about so much things in secondary schools.
Which subject did you find most difficult at school?
Most difficult for me, science is so difficult because it's too much harder more than other subjects.
Do you ever need the subject now?
No, I don't have a need it now.
What did you enjoy about being a school student?
Sorry, repeat your question.
What did you enjoy about being a school student?
School students. Actually, school is not for me enjoying, because for me it's so boring, and I didn't enjoy anything in school.
Okay, all right. Moving to your skill card, where 1 minute would be given to you to prepare the topic, and then you're supposed to talk for the topic for 2 minutes. The question is, describe an interesting story that you heard or read about in the news. You should say when you heard or read about the story, what the story was about, why the story was in the news, explain why you thought the story was interesting. You have a minute to prepare the topic, and then you talk for 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Yes.
In the name of Allah, I want to talk about my history. My history is about football. When I was a child, I go to one team of football, and this team saved me. And when I was a child, I'm too fat, and this team say you're too fat for the playing football and striker, and we don't want you and striker. And I will when I will get a test, and this team's shocking to see I'm playing football too very well, and also my partner in footballs is also good persons. It's this body is too good for, more than me, and this is so younger more than me, and this teams wanted this person. First of all, he get the test for this person and then me, and this is my best history, because after this person get the test for me, and he's shocking how a fat person's playing football on a striker very well.
Fine, very good. Okay, let's now talk about part 3 discussion. When do people like to read the newspaper?
Because people want to know about how the words, how words, what is the words doing, and what's the news of word, and what's people doing in a word.
How important is it for people to have a choice of newspaper?
It's too important, because if the newspaper is not in your choice, it's boring for you, and you didn't read this newspaper.
why the story was in the news. Sorry, the question is, what does a good newspaper contain?
A good newspaper, for me, the newspaper is good because it's to have a lot of history in this newspaper.
Okay. Overall, your score is also 5. In part first, one grammatical mistake. I does in part two. Little bit at the beginning was not to the point comparatively to the question. Like little bit it was irrelevant, but remaining it was fine. In part three, again the answers were fine. Okay. Overall, that was quite better. I was going to give you 5.5 or 6, but anyhow, through some other minor issues, I gave you 5 band, right? But I expect very good score from you in the future. Thank you. Wait.